दो मुद्दे पर डिस्कस हो गया। एक मुद्दा हमारा संगठन सुजान अभियान के लिए डीसीसी प्रेसिडेंट का सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस इधर है उड़ीसा में, उसी पर डिस्कशन होगा। वी हैव डिस्कस अबाउट द डीसीसी प्रेसिडेंट सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस। सेकंड हमारा वोट चोरी प्रोग्राम नेशनल वाइड वोट चोरी प्रोग्राम करेंगे, इस इश्यू पर भी चर्चा होगा। अच्छा।
Sir, how do you guide to fight with the BJP government in the state and center? Sir?
No, we are very much into the fight against the BJP government, the center and the state. Our duty today also we emphasize that our duty is to work as a real opposition party in Odisha. Now, only opposition in Odisha is Congress party. No other party is doing the opposition role. Congress can only do the opposition role in Odisha. That we will do. Completely we decided at national level we are doing. Our leader Rahul Gandhi is taking up the biggest issues of this country. Every day they are going to the people of this country and talking about the vote chori and other related issues also. Odisha also, along with the vote chori, we will take up the issue of unemployment, we will take up the issues of women, we will take up the issue of the tribal people. We will take the other people-related issue also. SIR is clearly a design of destroying the democracy of this country. That vote चोरी के लिए डिजाइन है। SIR डेमोक्रेसी के लिए नहीं है, वोट चोरी के लिए है। So we cannot allow that in that way. That is why we are agitating.
Election Commission has questioned on Supreme Court review.
Election Commission is now become the department of BJP and Narendra Modi. They are not a neutral body. They are not doing their job neutrally. We, the people of India, want a free and fair election from the Election Commission. That is what the real custom of the Election Commission, that is what the real history of the Election Commission. But now this Election Commission, even though Supreme Court directed them to include a Aadhaar card, they are reluctant. That is become a super body of Modi. That is become a super body of vote chori also. Understood?
Today Sunil Bansal said that in 5 years they will come to power in Karnataka.
जो आज ये खत्म हो चुका है, जो ऑब्जर्वर लोग का आपको साथ मिला है, तो क्या ये कब तक हो जाएगा?
No. DCC President, Odisha DCC President will be announced in this month, September. The DCC President knew because observers, most of the observers are completed their job. 1 or 2 people are baki hai, but that they will also submit the report within 1 or 2, 3 days. Therefore, we will have a proper process. After that, in September itself, we will announce the DCC President. Today, Political Affairs Committee, we decided after the DCC President selection process, this PCC will do the selection process of Block Committee, Mandal Committee and New Booth Committee. Pura. If anybody influenced, that name will not be considered at all. This is a clear-cut, neutral decision.
इंचार्ज भी है या डिस्ट्रिक्ट जा रहे हैं, इन्फ्लुएंस नहीं होंगे आपने कोई ऑब्जर्वर?
Ma'am, AICC is directly observing that process.
Today Sunil Bansal said that in Tamil Nadu, West Bengal and in Telangana, in 5 years, BJP government will come. Sir, what do you say?
This can come only through vote chori. That is what you have to understand. Otherwise, people will not going to elect them. Okay.
अभी उड़ीसा के संगठन जैसा चल रहा है, भक्तदास जी के अंदर आपको
He is doing a very good work. Our PCC president and entire team is doing a very good work. We are very much happy with that work. Now we already given direction to them to continue that aggressive work. We need here lot many issues are there. Odisha, you can see that within a short span of time, BJP become anti people in Odisha. So Congress party is going to take up that issue.